Hi everyone, hope that you're well. Welcome back to a new video. Today I want to talk about the IP rating. What is IP rating? Which IP rating you need to use for luminaires based on the space or application that you are establishing the lighting design. And here we have a production line. We will move to the warehouse, and as well on the site where we have a parking place. But also I was using luminaires for which normally can be used also on the street lighting. So all in all, we have a lot of areas where we need IP, we don't need IP, but let's dive into first definition of the IP rating. Therefore, I prepared already for you. IP stands for Ingress Protection Rating Chart, and here the IP rating has two digits. The first one stands for the solids, so we have from 0 to 6, uh, and of course the protection against solids, it's for low to high, so it means 0 low, high have a full protection against dust and other similar particles. For example, what does it mean? A 2, you have let's say the first digit is 2, is the protection against solid objects larger than 12 millimeters and contact from finger, for example. And moving to the second digit, which stands for the liquids, in this case the water, we start from 0, which is no protection insurance against the water, to 8, which is a protection against full immersion up to 1 meter or more in depth for more than 30 minutes. Always, as is mentioned also in this paper, check manufacturer specification for products with this rating. Usually the IP you can find on the data sheet of the products. So, or in the general description of the product that you're using into the lighting calculation. Having said that, I want to show you also an example of application where you need an IP for even it's a, for example, a bathroom. In this case, we have 4 volumes, and for this, each of these volumes, you need a different IP. So, for example, volume 0, where is a bathtub, you need an IP of 67 minimum. If you move up on the wall side, you need a, and you see the distance 0.6 from the corner, you have an IP of 44. On the mirror, on the top, again, we have volume 2, and here we need again an IP 44. And in volume 3, as is stated here on this area, you need at least an IP, they say X1 or O01, so you need at least, let's see the one, what was standing. We will go on the ingress protection chart. So here will be a protection against vertical falling water drops. So this will be the minimum required against water. Okay, let's move on now on the Dialux and dive into the different areas and check together where you can see the IP protection. For example, where you have a warehouse, I would just go on this luminaire, and then here, if you check it, you will not, in this data you will not find. However, if you go on documentation, it will take a while just to access all the spaces that I have done the lighting design, and then yeah, have all this information. And here you have the product data sheets. So the product which I choose to use in that warehouse was the following one, which I just selected in this view. And you have the product data sheet, like the power consumption, efficiency, CCT, and CRI. And here on the bottom, you'll see as well the IP. So you will see a degree of protection of IP66. Moving back to our chart with the IP ratings, let's see. So we have a full protection against dust and other similar particles, which in warehouse definitely we have a lot of dust, and we want, and also the height of a warehouse being 8 to 12 meters, it's very difficult to do the maintenance, and therefore makes sense to use a luminaire which has an IP. It's fully protecting against that dust, and therefore you also avoid to reduce the luminous flux to the lifetime of the product. And there we will move to on the water side. We have 6 as well, so it's a protection against powerful jets of water at a rate of 100 liters per minute. And here we have 100 kilopascal of pressure at a distance of 3 meters for 15 minutes. So it's very easy now to know exactly what does it mean that IP rating and which protection it's offering for your the luminaire for that space. The next one I will move to a street luminaire which have been used on the parking lot, as you could see. So this is the luminaire, same informations, and here again we have an IP66 once again. And as I showed you early on, the IP66, what is the meaning of IP66 and for which space can be used. Of course, if you it's the outdoor luminaire. Just a sec, just to click on it. Yeah, not so lucky. I'll just move on the light, and yeah. So this is the luminaire which have been used for the, let's say, indoor area, and is helping as well. It illuminates also the parking place. So that's all related to the IP rating. If you have comments, please add it to. I'll be happy to answer. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a like to this video, and until next time, stay healthy. Bye bye.